go through the Autodesk accounts and assigning products to users. So this first page here is accounts.autodesk.com. You might be familiar with it. If you click on this button here, you'll go to the manage page to manage your products, which I have open here. So this is the first page you'll see when you go into the Autodesk accounts, manage.autodesk.com. If you have any new products purchased recently, they will show up here on this page. Okay, so this next page here, all products and services, if I click here, this will show all the products that are available to you, and if you are a contract manager, you're going to want to be able to assign these to certain users in your company. So I'll just open this AutoCAD LT here, for instance, and if I scroll down, we can see that we have the last 3 years, so the last 3 versions you can install: 2019, 2018, 2017. And if you click here on view all product versions, you can go here and you can get the download files for each. The AutoCAD LT for Windows by default, and the AutoCAD LT for Mac is here if you need it. Here's your serial number and your product keys for the last few versions of AutoCAD. As new versions come out, older versions expire, so you kind of have to stay within the last 3 years of a product. Here in the updates and add-ons tab is just if you need to download updates manually for particular products, so you have 2019.1, 2019.1.2, and so on and so forth. Alright, so this next tab here, user management, so this is where we assign products to our users within our company. So I've added myself here as a user to the top line, and this add button is for adding users. So if you select add here, you can create another user, put in their email address, their first name and their last name. So this particular user, which is actually me, I can select this user and I can select edit access, and if I scroll down here to products and services, I have an AutoCAD LT. I have 1 seat available, and if I just check this box, it will assign that seat to and all the other components that come with that AutoCAD LT suite, such as AutoCAD mobile app, AutoCAD web application, and so on. And I can just click save, and then that seat is assigned to that particular user. So when he logs into this Autodesk account with his own email address and password, he will have this product available to him in the products and services tab on his home page. Okay, so back in the products and services page, I could be logged in as myself here, and I will have this seat now available to me. So I would just click here and I can download from here. Normally we download the latest version, and we recommend that we use the browser download here rather than the install now option, because that way if your internet briefly drops off, you can pick up where you left off in your download. The other methods, if your internet briefly disconnects, you have to restart the entire process.